This is fraud risk interceptor agent. So the fraud losses often occur not because the detection fail, but because the action happens too late. So this agent focuses on the acting early using the execution signal to guide timely containment and escalation. Let us test the agent. Here I ask the agent to show the high risk anomalous cases. Here the agent highlights the transaction that are both anomalous and are at high risk. So these cases show the repeated behavior deviation and the elevated risk exposure. So the agent directly recommend the immediate actions or the immediate containment or the process override. So this will ensure the action is taken before the losses becomes irreversible. Here I am asking the agent which pending cases require the escalation and why. So these cases are currently pending and have not been received within the expected time window. So even though their risk level appears low, uh, the agent escalate them proactively to reduce the exposure risk. So the agent not only identifies these cases but also explains why the escalation is required uh, to ensure the proactive decision making instead of the reactive response. So why the escalation is required? As all the cases remain pending, it will increase the exposure before the confirmation. Additionally, very low customer aid signal possible to identify the misuse risk, making the early escalation critical to prevent the irreversible loss. So by focusing on the early execution signal, this agent improve the response time, reduces the fraud exposure, and ensures the critical cases and never overlook.